In this tutorial, we will showcase how to integrate live streaming from ZenStream to your website or app. We'll show you the step-by-step how to create stream from the dashboard, and then also how to embed it in your website or app. Other key features around user management. Stream management will also be showcased in this video. Firstly, after signing up, you have to go to the live streaming section, and you have to click on Create New Live Stream button. You can also schedule live stream in advance. Please create new live stream button. You can select different chat mode options. Authenticated will showcase the user ID or the name of your logged in user on your platform. Anonymous, they can enter their name themselves, and off means that they will not be able to chat. For this demo purpose, I am using the anonymous chat option. There's an advanced section as well, which is for domain restriction. So if you are embedding in a particular website or more than one website, then you can enter the domain restriction so that the videos only play on that particular website. For this case, for demo, I'm not putting any domain restriction, but you can enter it. Then you have to click on the Create button. When you click on Create button, you will see that the stream will start generating. It will show Generate Streaming Credentials. You can create multiple streams in parallel, with different or similar settings. So based on each account level and each plan level, there are multiple streams possible, starting from 5 for a single account. And it can increase in terms of numbers based on the plan you have purchased. So after, say, around 60 seconds, the stream credentials will be generated, and you will see server URL and stream key available. So this has to be used. We will showcase you how it has to be used. Now you can use any software for input streaming, so you can use OBS, you can use Remix, even Zoom can be used in an input streaming software. So OBS is the most popular open source free streaming software, which I am using here. OBS has this advantage that you can have multiple feeds in terms of, say, webcam, camera, screen share, display capture, image, even you can play a recorded file as a stream. Then you can also customize the interface like you have seen many content creators customizing their interface. If you have your face, if you want to position the face somewhere, you can do that. You can move it around so you can have multiple feeds in the OBS stream, and you can change the UI UX accordingly. Then here you have to go into the settings section in the settings section. You have to put the server URL and stream key. So this is the server URL, which you have to copy paste here. This is the stream key, which you have to copy paste here. And you have to click on OK. In other settings, you have to go to Settings. You have to go to Output. You can have output bitrate anywhere from, say, 1500 kbps to 4000 kbps. In this case, I'm using 2500 kbps. And in the video section, make sure that the FPS is 30 and base canvas output canvas. You can also select if you want to change, so stream section for server URL, and stream key is the key thing. Output audio, and all these things you can modify, but our recommendation will be to use an FPS of 30, to use an output of video bitrate, anywhere from 1500 to 4000 kbps. Then you have to click on Start Streaming button. When you click on Start Streaming, then it will be connected to the stream there, and you will see in a few seconds the status should change from ready to start broadcasting to stream being active. You can see that it now shows streaming active. Now here's a monitor preview button. You can click on the monitor preview button. So you can see the stream which is running. You can see that the DVR option is enabled here, which means users can go back in the stream. Okay? Then also they can change quality. There are 3 quality options available. There are sound and other pause play options. And then there is a chat. Since this is a monitor preview, you can do a moderator chat here. And if someone else is chatting, you can delete or block that user if they are being spammed. So this is how the preview moderator preview works. In actual, when you're embedding, then we know that you want to customize the chat design and how this team looks on a website yourselves. If you click on the embed button, you will see that there is a separate iframe code for the player, live player, which you can copy, and there is a separate iframe player for the chat embed code. So what you have to do is you have to just copy paste these things on your particular website and you can play in it. And if you have set a domain restriction setting, then that domain restriction setting will also be applicable on the stream. So this is how you create a stream, and this is how you embed it on a particular website or app. Instead of OBS, you can also use vMix or any other popular streaming input software. Even Zoom can be used as an input streaming software. In that case, you will be able to utilize the Zoom's interface, but you will not use the Zoom player or streaming. It will be through us. So, more such documentation, you can go to the How to Connect live stream. All the steps which I mentioned, they are available here in detail. Also, Connect with Zoom as streaming software is also available here in detail. You can read through all the steps. And there is also this tutorial video. There is also a chat, authenticated chat, token, and APIs which are available. So these are all the sections which are available, including embed and the APIs. The advantage of APIs is that you can automate the stream creation, chat, and stream ending as well. And also through APIs, you can have a list of the running streams. So there are platforms which has multiple streaming partners, or say, teachers as customers, and they can use these APIs to automate the things. So all the streaming APIs are also available. So this was about stream creation. Then you can end stream by directly ending it from, say, the tool like OBS, and you can also end it from the dashboard directly. After you end the stream, you will see that in the video section, it will show live recorded, and the stream will start getting recorded after you end it. So one stream was just a dummy, which I had no content, so it is showing no content. In the stream which had content, it will show a processing, and in some time it will get ready. So this will be ready as a normal playback, multi-quality playback file, and for playback in your particular website. So it will not be encrypted, but it will have all the good features of a VOD playback and a VOD hosting solution. Like you can embed on the video and you can use the iframe to embed it on a particular website. So if your students, some of the students, they have missed the stream even after all the DVR features and everything, you can have them play it later after embedding the recorded file. And in the VOD file, there are also settings which you can change, like thumbnail, chapters, and these things can be done on the VOD file. So this was about the VOD feature. Some other key features I would like to explain. So one thing is that this domain restriction feature, which is available in the security settings, it is only available for the VOD part. It is not available for the live part. The domain restriction feature, which is available for the live part, is directly available while at the time of stream creation. In the advanced section, you can enable the admin can enable the download of the original file so that if you want the raw files after recording from Livestream, you can do that. In the config sections, you can add API keys with different permission levels for stream API key management. Then you can also add multiple users with different levels of permission. You can go through this tutorial and details for all the other things. Then in the accounts and payment sections, you can buy a plan and you can recharge extra bandwidth and storage and live input hours based on your plan. In the support section, you can create support tickets, and also there will be several other direct tutorials and demos available in this section. In the analytics section, on a daily basis, you can see the total storage of the recorded files, then the bandwidth used of VOD, this is the bandwidth used for VOD, then live streaming minutes used and live streaming bandwidth used. This will be available on a daily basis. So this is just a fresh account for demo purpose, so it doesn't have much data. And on the left section, you can see your plan for the live and the VOD based on the plan purchased. So you can see the live bandwidth left, live hours, input hours left. Similarly, live recorded bandwidth left and recorded storage left. So live hours is, suppose there's a 2-hour stream, played for 100 users and it consumed, say, 100 gigabytes of bandwidth. So 2 hours will be the live input hours consumed, while 100 gigabytes will be the bandwidth consumed. So this is what input hours and bandwidth means. So this is all about the key features of ZenStream, live stream creation, embedding, the integrated VOD solution with the DVR and chat feature. Thank you.